Welcome to our complete guide on resetting your SimpliSafe system. Whether you're moving or just troubleshooting, we've got you covered. There are multiple reasons you may need to reset your SimpliSafe system, including moving to a new home or troubleshooting connectivity issues. Before performing a reset, make sure to back up your settings and data to ensure a smooth transition. Now let's go through the step-by-step process of resetting your base station. Follow the prompts carefully. You can choose to reset individual sensors or the entire system. Let's explore both options. After resetting, it's essential to verify that everything works as intended. Here's how to confirm success. Once your system is reset, you will need to reconfigure your settings. Follow these steps to get back on track. If you encounter issues during or after the reset, these common troubleshooting tips can help. In case the reset fails, knowing when to contact customer support is crucial for resolving persistent issues. Thank you for watching. Taking the time to maintain your SimpliSafe system ensures your home remains safe and secure.